If your legs are tired, sore, swollen, if you're exhausted at the end of the day and you don't know what to do and you're miserable, I have the answer for you. I want to show you how we use leg compression here at StretchPlex to make those legs feel fantastic, improve your circulation, and probably make you feel 10 years younger. So I'm going to demonstrate how these leg sleeves work with our friend Jordan. And this is about how easy it is when you come in and you get a compression session. You come on in, you sit in the lounge chair. You are treated like a VIP. It slips on like this, and it goes in here into our compression unit. And then we take another one, and we slip them on this way. That didn't take too long, did it? So this is good for people of all ages. This is good for people after you've been running, after you've been working. We turn that on. Now, what's going to happen here? And here's where the magic starts. That machine is going to put air through these tubes that go up into these sleeves. Now, there's something that's even more magical. It's going to start squeezing here first, then here second, then here third, and then up here fourth. So we call that gradient compression. So it is like squeezing all the fluid out of your legs. It's like if you have a tube of toothpaste and you squeeze up from the bottom, that's what we're doing with this compression. So you sit here relaxed in the lounge chair for 15 or 30 minutes. You let this sport pump do its thing and squeeze all that fluid and all that fatigue out of your legs, and it feels fantastic. So we want to see you here at StretchPlex. You're going to love it.